Okay, so it's looking like another red day for Nvidia today, guys. I mean, we do have another 2 hours of trading, so who knows, maybe it goes into the green, but as of now, about 1:45 p.m. East Coast time, we're down almost 3% on Nvidia stock. It's trading at $132 after tipping its toes back into the $129 range earlier in the day. So, guys, we have to go over Nvidia, do an update, break down the charts, and talk about what I'm looking to do as I am long Nvidia. You guys know that, so hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. We're almost at 50,000 subs, guys, and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks, and overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, cheers to that. It's a no-brainer. So if you want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that link down below or go to stocks.com/Moomoo. And now let's get into it. So Nvidia, like I said, guys, it's down. It's down yet again, 2.6% in the red, although it is rebounding a bit intraday. It's still down. It's still down. And at one point, I think it was down maybe over 4% this morning. Let's see. We closed at what? 136 almost. Geez, on Friday. And we got down to 129. So we were down about $7 per share at one point, or about 5%. Yeah, we were down over 5% at one point earlier in the day, guys. And, well, we are rebounding a bit on the intraday, no doubt, but we're not really fully breaking out by any stretch of the imagination, right? I mean, still clearly under the 180 SMA on the 5-day, 5-minute here, still very much so in a downtrend on this time frame as well. And this just goes to show how volatile stocks have been, especially Nvidia. This thing just 1, 2, 3 trading days ago was at $153 per share. That was an all-time high. Now, boom, fast forward a couple days, we're down $20, 21 to be exact. We were down $24 a share earlier this morning, or about 14%. So Nvidia, excuse me, guys, is back in correction territory, down 14%, right? Oh, man. Excuse me. Cheers. I got to get some coffee, guys. All right, so we're back in correction territory. It looks like we were in correction territory on Friday, but now it's getting worse here on the 5-day, 5-minute. And on the 30-minute chart, you guys can see if it wants to load. Come on. Will you load today? There we go. We have a death cross here. We're under both moving averages as well on this time frame. And on the 1-hour chart, wait a second, it looks like we're holding this trend, are we not? Buyers are actually coming in here, guys, at 128, 130. You guys can see we held 126 a couple weeks ago. That was a higher low. We held this spot right here, about 126 as well. So we kind of double bottomed there mid-December. Then we broke out a bit. But this level here, guys, I'm telling you, if bulls are able to hold this spot on Nvidia at about 130, 132, get ready for a big rebound. Honestly, I'm watching this like a hawk right now, both as a, spot to add long-term shares, but also as a swing trade. I'm really eyeing this thing up as a swing trade right here, and I'm just waiting for the confirmation. Like I've been saying in these updates, guys, Nvidia is still being dominated by the bulls. A lot of these stocks, not a lot, but there's some stocks out there that are really starting to break trend, like bigger companies. Adobe's one of them. I'm noticing, AMD's been getting crushed. There's other companies that are starting to break trend, right? But Nvidia's not one of them, right? It's simply seeing a little sell-off here, still very much so holding trend. We're down 13%, opening up that window of opportunity, right, for a swing trade. So I'm looking at this like, all right, now this is the moment of truth. We are at the trend line right now. You guys see it right here. If we hold this and start rebounding initially, we might be able to get a move to $140. That was actually the high that we've talked about a lot here on the channel. That was the all-time high back in June. We held it back early, mid-July. 140 was also resistance for quite some time. And, well, that could be where we go next, right, in the meantime. So from 132, in the meantime right now, let's see if we get this rebound from 130, 132, maybe back up to 140. This window right here is where we could trade it initially. And then if Nvidia cracks over, let's say 140, 141 at that point, then we could really start making another big move back to all-time highs. That's kind of what I'm thinking right now. In the very short term, that's what I'm thinking could happen. So I'm going to set my alert. Where are we at now? We're at 132.30 right now. I'll set my alert for now at $133. Mark is at or above, and I'll monitor this for the rest of the day today. We'll see if we're able to rebound, and I'll do another update soon here, and I'll let you guys know what I'm looking to do. But like I said, I'm eyeing up a swing trade. I'm not really looking to go all in on my long-term account here. I mean, I've already been buying it. You guys know that. But I'm open to dollar cost average in the long-term position as well. But I didn't do that yet today, guys. And I'm waiting for the confirmation on the swing trade. So I'll keep you guys updated. And I post all my updates on Patreon, by the way, if you guys are interested. That is linked right down below. And another thing I want to shout out, quick little side tangent here, guys, is my second channel. I have a second channel called Stas or at Stas Talks Money. If you guys want to put in the at in the YouTube search bar, and we're breaking down a bunch of different personal finance topics, content, a lot of reaction content really is what we're doing on this second channel here, guys. You can see a video I made a couple days ago. Americans can't stop spending money. This lady right here, believe it or not, man, look how crazy she looks. She spent $40,000 freaking dollars at Coachella. $40,000, unreal. We talk about how car payments are getting insane. People are full of bad decisions financially, guys, especially here in America. And these videos are getting decent views, and it's a switch up from the content here, guys. And we've been growing this channel organically for the last 2-3 months, and now I'm shouting it out here, trying to get it to 1,000 subs, and I could really use your help if you're interested. Don't subscribe if you're not interested, but if you're interested, hey, check it out. Linked down below, description box, or pinned in the comment section as well. My second channel, Stas Surfes, or the at is at Stas Talks Money. You'll find me on the YouTube search bar. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the Nvidia update, guys. And a lot of AI stocks, quote unquote, have been struggling. SoundHound AI, which I'll do an update on probably tomorrow. This one got hit again today. It's currently down 7% with about 2 hours left in the session. So SoundHound's getting hit. ARM Holdings is down. It looks like it's getting rejected at the top of this wedge, which it desperately needs to break, guys. So ARM Holdings is not looking good. AMD, like we know, it's been the case. It keeps falling. It's green today somehow, but AMD is still down big time over the last couple of months. Don't even get me started on, SMCI, but man, it's been a wild 2025 to say the least so far, and I'm excited. I'm still excited about Nvidia. I still think it's going to be a great performer long term, obviously, but even 2025, I think 2025 will be a good year for Nvidia. We just have to be patient. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe on this channel and my second channel at Stas Talks Money, linked down below, and get your stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100 using that link down below. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to StasSurfes.com/Moomoo. get your free stocks. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.